and thank you for viewing our video on the implementation of ICD-10. My name is Smith-Breeden, and as MDeverywhere's Program Manager, I'm responsible for new application feature analysis and specification, as well as the oversight of our interface development group. As such, I'm directly involved in our internal efforts regarding process, content, and technology regarding MDE's successful transition to ICD-10. To that end, MDeverywhere is providing a series of messages addressing ICD-10. The timeline of stages, the code explosion and formatting changes, what to expect from software vendors or medical billing companies, data preparation, conversions, and staff training. It's not just about accepting and submitting claims, it's about a user-friendly transition without negative impact on revenue. We are sharing this information because there's so much to cover and to know before we can all go beyond ICD-10 compliance to ICD-10 efficiency. Today's topic, MDeverywhere's technology preparation, addresses the implementation of an industry-leading natural language parsing engine paired with the unparalleled user-friendly practice-first application, the development methodologies, and ultimately, how MDE will continue to ensure coding and claims are fully prepared for maximum payment. Let's get started. In all regards of software development and design, MDeverywhere strives for highest marks by providing the most intuitive and most complete application that satisfies the end of maximizing value in each and every claim we manage. The reliability and elegant look and feel our customers have come to expect is no different in the ICD-10 solution. Not only is MDE providing an ICD-10 solution well in advance of the October 2014 deadline, thus giving our customers the ability to code in each direction, ICD-9 to 10, or from 10 to 9, as a matter of helping providers and coders navigate the waters of this change. The native MDE rules engine provides users with data-driven gateways in order to determine which of the code sets is required for payer processing. Our mission to enable the users to navigate through the near countless variations in ICD-9 to ICD-10 relationships focuses on the requirement of precision, but also keeps speed and efficiency at the forefront. Users have a number of tools at their disposal, anything from advanced wildcard and code range searches to a mechanism that allows users to retain frequently used searches. Another key piece to the diagnosis selection conundrum is the MDE language engine. By integrating a robust language engine into the code selection process, we're able to leverage a number of different code sets like SNOMED CT, ICD-9, ICD-10, GEMS mappings, and others. Pair that flexibility with the natural language parsing capabilities built into the engine for searching on simple clinical terms, and MDE continues to provide expert application features that our user base has grown accustomed to. The MDeverywhere development effort always focuses on providing the best tools allowable for users to perform their jobs while minimizing effort, focusing on clean claims, and maximizing revenue. There are many different steps to this process, starting at requirements gathering, specification creation, application development, and of course, quality assurance. In building the MDeverywhere ICD-10 solution, the MDE team consulted with a great number of industry analysts, corporate partners, and our own customers to gather information on payer preparedness, integration solutions, and most importantly, usability. As you've heard throughout the MDE ICD-10 video series, with nearly 70,000 codes in the new dataset, the traditional MyLists and superbills are a thing of the past. So not only did we focus on a workable development plan, but a solution that truly works for those on the front lines. These many research hours have been put to great use, and the MDeverywhere customers will benefit from the dedication of all these resources. Rest assured, MDE has been focused on ICD-10 requirements for quite a long time now, and it's delivering a solution like no other. Maintaining reimbursement and operational cash flow is on the minds of everyone in the industry, and that is driving a very real fear of an increase in claim denials. This could be due to the vast combination of coding requirements, or quite likely what is just a poor understanding of the new and complex code sets. MDeveryware, as a leader in revenue cycle management, accepts this challenge head-on and focuses on building smarter systems that alerts users of rules problems at the time of the coding and well ahead of any potential claim denial. MDeveryware made a part of its development mission many years ago to make sure each and every patient visit was easily recorded and fully prepared for the payer before it leaves our systems. To that end, the MDE solution will know which codes, ICD-9 or 10, are needed for each and every claim. While many applications will make this a burden on the users, MDeverywhere has created a very intuitive and visually appealing code selection utility that takes the pain out of getting it right and shortens the learning curve associated with this transition. Here's an example of how the Practice First application allows for intelligent and pain-free ICD-9 to ICD-10 coding. In this example, we've used ICD-9 code 249.31. When we click on Look Up ICD-10, the engine presents two different sets of two codes. In this case, the user would choose between coding both E08.11 and E09.65, or E09.11 and E09.65. This demonstrates how the system will help users correctly identify the proper ICD-10 codes. Also, making use of the language engine I spoke about earlier will help take any guesswork out of the code selection process and ultimately put the right code at the user's fingertips. Today I've spoken about how MDE has researched and developed the ICD-10 solution, as well as how using the MDE language engine will help minimize the impact of the code selection transition from ICD-9 to ICD-10 and ultimately decrease claim denials for negligible impact to cash flow. Yes, I'm proud of what we've accomplished during this unheard of and significant industry event that really goes all the way to the fundamental shape of an ICD code. And we're all very proud of the MDE solution as it now fits very nicely inside an application that already delivers on all levels. Ease of use for registration, scheduling and coding, accessibility to data, and maximum reimbursement. As we all expect ICD-10 code sets to change over time, so too will MDE change. We are already planning for enhancements to the direct code searching mechanisms, the further use of approximate code matches to speed code selection, and as always, improvements driven from user experience. Without listening to those that use MDeverywhere applications day in and day out, we wouldn't have the offerings we provide today. Growing and changing to meet the needs of users on all feature set deployments has been part of the MDE methodology, but it will certainly apply to the ICD-10 conversion, and we look forward to it. We hope you found this information helpful. In the coming months, MDeverywhere will share additional ICD-10 specific messages via video, webinars, and email to help our clients as well as the medical community understand ICD-10 more fully. At MDeverywhere, as a leader in practice and revenue cycle management, we feel it is our responsibility to share what we know and what we learn industry-wide so we can all go beyond ICD-10 compliance to ICD-10 efficiency.